Hey, it's Stannis, and I help people wanting to be financially free through giving information on YouTube. Today I'll be talking about dividends and how much dividends I've earned during the month of December. Alright, let's go hop right into it. So, Wells Fargo currently have a market value of around $786, average cost around $30, and their dividend yield is about 2.68%. Pretty decent. And what I've earned from them for December is. So for Wells Fargo, I've earned $5.72 during the month of December. Pretty good, pretty decent. Let's go on to the next stock. Intel. So Intel have seen quite a drop over this year. To be exact, around like 50%. Quite a big amount. If you look over the chart, probably around $50 is average. 50, 45. Now currently at $25, $26. I am looking to buy more of Intel, but I just want to make sure that it's going down for the right reasons and that there is possible growth later on. I know they're trying to build up new factories, trying to get back into the manufacturing game, but let's see how they perform, because previously their performance has been horrible. They have not been executing, so I really want to see Intel succeed in the future. Right now, currently pretty good price at $26 per share. Total market value is only around like $500. Not that big of a chunk of my portfolio, but I could see this going up to $1,000 depending how low this stock goes. Right. The thing that kind of scares me, that I talked about in previous videos, the dividend yield is currently 5.6%, which is pretty high. That's pretty good dividend, right? But kind of worries me because it is a tech company. And the PE ratio, which excites me, is 8. Alright, so that's below 10. So it's pretty fair value. So in total, Intel is giving me $4.09 for December. Hell yeah. Let's look at the next one. Ford Motor. I have not really been buying this stock since the last time I've been buying it, which is probably like a year ago. I'm kind of just holding on to it right now. Don't have that much into it. Only got like $100, and I'm currently earning $1.54 this month. And nothing more much on Ford. Pfizer, pretty solid stock. I haven't been buying the stock either, but has been doing pretty good this year compared to the other stocks that are down like 30-40%. It's only down 11%. I guess 12%. Not that bad. They haven't given me $2.63 for the month of December, and their dividend yield is 3.09%, so that's pretty good too. Johnson & Johnson. Everybody knows about Johnson & Johnson. It's a great dividend stock. Mostly everybody I know that is a dividend investor holds Johnson & Johnson. Pretty solid company. I don't have that much into it, but they gave me $1.44 for the month of December. And their current dividend yield is 2.51%. Microsoft, I do hold a lot. My portfolio diversity is almost 10% on this stock, so I hold a lot of it. $3,800 inside Microsoft, and they gave me $10.83. That's probably one of the bigger dividends I'll be getting this month, and in general, since some of my bigger stocks that I own don't have a dividend yield. Microsoft has a little one, so it's not that bad. They only have a 1.06%, which is not that bad, but it is a dividend nonetheless. So I will take that. No problem here. ExxonMobil. I haven't been buying it, but it's done really good over the past year. 78%. I kind of bought it at a lower price at 54. So pretty much doubled my money on ExxonMobil. Pretty solid. So probably like buying around 2021 for ExxonMobil. So pretty good buys. Their dividend yield is pretty high too. 3.27 dividend yield. And the PE at 8.85. It's pretty low as well. I don't really understand where the future of oil is going to be going right now. I know there's a huge push for green energy, but there's thoughts to be life for oil, and I just don't know how long ExxonMobil can grow. Same with Chevron, but I guess we will see. Still be investing in them. Pretty solid companies, and I do think oil still has a future in the U.S. and in the economy, but it will eventually get phased out, but I don't know how soon that will be. Alright, let's look at our next stock. Chevron. Chevron gave me $4.02 for the month of December. And similar to ExxonMobil, I bought a pretty good price and pretty much doubled my money. Yeah. P ratio is around like 10 as well. Pretty solid. Haven't bought too many oil stocks though. Coca-Cola. For Coca-Cola, I do have a big position in, but I haven't been buying too much. I think it's a solid company. It's not going to go anywhere. Dividend yield at 2.76, pretty solid. P kind of high, but like I said, I'm not really investing into Coca-Cola right now, especially since it's doing pretty well. Over the past years, 10%, yeah, it's doing pretty good. McDonald's. Only got like a share and a half into McDonald's. And they give a nice little dividend of 2.12%, giving me $2.54 for the month of December. And we're looking Nvidia. Okay, I do have a couple shares of Nvidia, less than $1,000, and they do give a small dividend, but a dividend nonetheless. All right, 0.11%, giving me 14 cents. Not that great of amount, but Nvidia in itself is pretty solid. In total, for the month of December, I've earned $54.51 from my dividends. Keep in mind my portfolio is worth $42K right now, but most of my stocks that I'm heavily invested into, I do not have that much into dividend stocks. I do have some of them, but majority is not only in dividend stocks. I would be able to see a high return on my dividends per month if I were solely invested in dividend stocks. But due to my age right now and my current living situation, I do want to pursue a more like volatile market kind of. I want to do more tech stocks, be pretty much in that sector more heavily than other areas. I want to see more growth in my portfolio, especially since I have the time to do it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you're earning dividend income, drop it down in the comment section below. Let me see what you guys are doing with. And if you're just starting, just drop it down there as well and see how much you're getting from Robinhood. Keep in mind, all the dividends for this month have been reinvested back into the stocks. I currently do not pull out any of my dividends. I just have them. I have the drip method going on, and what that does is pretty much is reinvested back into the stock market the following day or just immediately. Therefore, just like keeping it rolling. So every single time, hopefully I get a bigger dividend. But if the price of the stock goes down, I might see a smaller dividend. Or if the company lowers the dividend, we'll see a smaller one. But I haven't really seen that big of a problem with that, and I haven't really been paying attention to my dividends that much. Just kind of been price. I have been focusing on the price itself. But yeah, it's been a minute since I've looked at how much money I've been making off of dividends, and I saw $54 in a month. All right, I did nothing for that money. I just had it in a portfolio, which is pretty crazy to me. $54, yeah. Can't wait to see how high I could get it. I mean, $1,000 a month. I don't have to have a lot more money for $1,000 a month, or maybe even $100. But yeah, exciting. All right, guys. See you later, YouTube. Peace.